If you ever tried to import an MKV file into Adobe Premiere, you've probably noticed it doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work since many other video editors can handle MKV files perfectly well, but it is what it is. In this video, I'll show you how to easily convert an MKV file into an MP4 file using the program OBS. But first, I just want to remind you of the benefits of MKV files. If your computer crashes while recording an MKV file, you can still recover the parts that occurred before the crash. So there's benefits to recording in this format. And when it comes to converting to MP4, I don't recommend using sketchy websites or other apps you haven't heard of. I like to use this program here called OBS. It's a trusted program that's free and open source. So let's look at how to use it. I'm here on the website obsproject.com, and the first thing you want to do is download and install it for your system. I'm here on Windows, and I've installed and opened OBS here. And the conversion tool is very simple to use. Simply choose File, Remux Recordings, and on this menu here, you can add your files on the left side. So I'll click these three dots. And in this case, I'll choose these two MKV files. You can import more if you want, but I'll just do two. On the left side, we can see our input files. And on the right side, it's showing what it will output. So we can see it will make MP4 files in the same directory as our source files. From here, all I have to do is click Remux. And it will begin processing your videos. It might take a few minutes or longer depending on the file size of them. When it's done, click OK. And now I'll go back to my folders here, and I can see it created the MP4 files. If you want to learn more about OBS, check out my beginner tutorial on how it works. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.